In 2026, artificial intelligence is fully embedded in our daily lives and industries. At its core, AI refers to systems that learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions faster than we ever could. Let's break down AI applications. First, in healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases early by examining medical images, catching issues like cancer sooner. It suggests personalized treatment plans, ensuring each patient gets care tailored to them. Hospitals use AI to streamline admissions, manage resources, and optimize staffing. Second, in business, AI automates customer support using chatbots that respond instantly. It predicts market trends, helping businesses make smarter moves. AI personalizes advertising, ensuring customers see exactly what they want. Third, in daily life, AI suggests the best routes for commuting, organizes daily tasks, and even helps us manage finances. And now, let's talk about two major sectors: automobiles and engineering. In the automobile industry, AI powers self-driving cars by processing sensor data in real time, improving safety and efficiency. In engineering, AI is revolutionizing design. Engineers use AI to simulate structures, optimize materials, and speed up product development. As AI grows, it's a powerful tool, but we still need to guide it, ensuring it serves us in a thoughtful, human-centered way. By understanding AI in these different fields, we can prepare ourselves to thrive in a more connected, innovative future. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated.